Jessica, and we're going to talk about BlueTongue disease today. So BlueTongue disease, it's a non-contagious virus found in sheep, and it can also be found in some cattle as well, but it's a bit more rare since it affects sheep more drastically. It's caused by the virus of the BlueTongue disease virus, which is of the genus Orbivirus of the Rheoviridae family. This disease affects all ruminant cattle, but as I said, sheep are more severely affected, and you will most commonly see sheep being affected. There are 29 different serotypes of this virus, so if a sheep gets one of the virus types, it can also be affected by another one if it gets bit by that fly that has the different serotype of it, so we can have multiple of the same virus but different serotypes of it. Now, the BlueTongue virus multiplies and spreads faster in warmer climates, and that is where it is mostly found in large groups such as Trinidad and the Caribbeans, where it is a major problem for them. And some local cases that have been found in the past few years are areas like the San Joaquin Valley, but it is more rare out here in the States. Some symptoms include hemorrhaging, general hemorrhaging of the eyes, nose, mouth, and intestines. And oedema is the signature blue tongue, where it actually cuts off the circulation to the tongue, making it appear blue, and results in breathing difficulties. There's also fertility problems, including abortions and fetal abnormalities. Some physical signs include scabbing on the nose, excessive salivating, swelling of the joints and hooves, which look very puffy and red. And in cows, the udders will be clearly red and very swollen, and blood can come from the eyes as well. And on the inside, if there was an autopsy, you could see the hemorrhaging of the arteries, such as the heart, and swelling of many blood vessels. BlueTongue virus is transmitted by the bite of an infected Culicoides midge, which is a type of fly, and the time that it takes for the virus to multiply inside of the midge and spread to other ruminants is very short in hotter climates, and that's where you see a lot of the disease being spread. They also, since the flies are so small, they can be carried on the wind up to 300 kilometers. So therefore they can spread from islands to islands and possibly countries to countries. That's why it's found in the US sometimes. Insecticides are a really big prevention of the midge flies, but it hardly works because of how many there are and how small they are. You can also decrease the movement of the you can decrease the movement and the trade of the animals as well. And there's also vaccines, there's some vaccinations. Sorry, I clicked a bit too soon. But there are vaccinations available, but it only works if you can identify the specific serotype of the BlueTongue virus that the sheep has. And then you can notify a company who makes the vaccines, but it might take them a long time to make it for that specific serotype. And yep, that's BlueTongue virus, and these are my citations. Thank you.